I'll be reviewing the 20L Incognito Saddlebags. These are quick disconnect and key lockable as well. Big shout out to Viking Bags. They sent me out these to review, and because I also needed saddlebags. Has a quick latch on the front, and this is how you get into the saddlebag. Has a mesh zipper pocket on the front. This is where I keep my other cables for my quad lock and other necessities for like my cleaning my visor and stuff. Great quality on this. And then this is the main storage unit. Is my clip. This is waterproof. Has a waterproof liner. Inside I normally keep an extra rag. I'll keep a med kit, my wallet, my mesh, my bungee cord to hold anything to my sissy bar, and this is how you get to the key locking system. So the key locking system is not for the lid, it's for the saddlebag that attaches to the bracket. So to get to that, you'll have to remove your liner. And inside the liner, you'll have your keyhole, and this is how you will lock the bags to your bag. The bags come with 2 sets of keys. I keep a spare one inside, just in case. Right now, they're unlocked, but you would put the key in here and turn it right to lock it. And when you know it's locked, you can't function the latch in the back. When it's unlocked, you can go ahead and turn it again, pull out the key, and you'll be able to remove the latch and pull the bags right out. So you have 3 holes that line up to the bracket. Bracket's made out of metal. 2 bolts that go to the fender. Installation is pretty quick. It took me about 15 minutes. Very sturdy. Whenever I need to use these, or if I'm making a trip out. Actually, recently I just did a trip all the way to Laconia, and these work perfectly fine. I was able to fit a whole weekend's worth of clothing and necessities I needed. Amazing on the rain as well. Nothing got wet. And to put these back on, you just line up the 3 holes to the bracket, and once they're lined up, and then once they're lined up, you'll just click them and they're ready to go. Price wise, these are really affordable for quick disconnect key lockable bags. These are right around, I believe, like $400 for the set of 2, and really a great product from Viking Bags. And again, big shout out to them for sending me them. The outside is also amazing. Has a couple of latches you can get. These are extendable just in case if you need to fit maybe an umbrella or water bottle there. And amazing quality. Also, you don't have to do a blinker relocation. I did have to get longer bolts because I wanted to keep my sissy bar on. Other than that, thank you Viking Bags for sending these out to me. These have been amazing. Have a good one.